able to keep that which I committed unto him against that day. I know not when my Lord may come at night or noonday fair, nor if I walk the vale with him or meet him in the air. But I know whom I have believed and am persuaded that he is able to keep that which I committed unto him against that day. And I won't know that I've been hunted, get out to Linda, Namabalina, Nawana, Totalawa, Ingana.